less than 26, x equals 5 while x is less than 10, x equals x plus 1, now x equals 6. If x is greater than 10, it's not, jumps down to here to else, colon, print x, and there it is. Continue, jumps up here. 6 less than 10? Yes. X equals x plus 1, it's 7. Ignores the if, prints out 7. Continues, jumps up here. 7 less than 10? Yes. X becomes 8. X greater than 10? No. Jumps down here to else, prints out 8. Continues, 8 less than 10? Yes. Jumps down to here. X now equals 9. Is 9 greater than 10? No. Prints out x. Continues, jumps up here. Is 9 less than 10? Yes. Now x equals 10. Is 10 greater than 10? No. Jumps over here to else. Prints out 10. Jumps up here. Is 10 less than 10? No. So it exits out of this completely to the point following the end of the while loop. That's it. Program 26. Program 27. Rather than say while and some condition, like here, now, while x is less than 10, same program, but now while true. X equals 5. Well, this is true. X equals x plus 1. If x is greater than 10, well, and it's 6 now. 6, x equals 6. 6 greater than 10? No. Prints out 6. Continues. Still true. X equals now what? 7. 7 greater than 10? No. Prints out 7. Continue. X becomes 8. X greater than 10? No. Prints out 8. Continues. X becomes 9. Is 9 greater than 10? No. Prints out 9. Prints out 9. Is 9 greater than 10? No. Prints out 9. Jumps up here. X now equals 10. Is 10 greater than 10? No. 10 is equal to 10. 10 is not greater than 10. Prints out 10. Jumps up here. Now it's equal to, x is equal to 11. Is 11 greater than 10? Yes, breaks out of here. To the line following the while, the end of the while true loop. Jump over to here. I'm going to make the same program, but this time much more efficiently. X equals 5. While x is less than 10, do the following. X equals x plus 1. It's 6. Print 6. Continue. 6 less than 10? Yeah. Increment 6 to 7. Print 7. Continue. 7 less than 10? Yes. Increment it. It's 8. Print 8. Continue. Is 8 less than 10? Yes. Increment it. It's 9. Print 9. Continue. Is 9 less than 10? Yes. Increment it. It's 10. Print 10. Done. Continue. Is 10 less than 10? No. 10 is equal to 10. All these have been true so far. Wow. Boom. It exits to the line following the point following the end of the while loop. Wow, that's it. As soon as this was not true, it exits out of the program. Is 10 less than 10? 10 less than 10? False. Exits. No ifs, no nothing. Very compact code. Okay, while true, do the following. X equals what? Input, key in the minimum 5 characters or Q. Alright. So you're going to get this prompt. If x equals Q, if you key in a Q, it's going to break. If the length of whatever you keyed in is less than 5, it's going to print, oh, more characters, please. And then continues. Back up, you go to input. Alright. Now, if it's not Q, and if it's greater than 5 or equal to 5, it's going to print out long enough. Okay, here it comes. We run the program. Key in 5 characters or Q. So I key in ASDF, ASDF, that's 8. Long enough. What's this guy here? Ask me again. Key in 5 characters or Q. I key in ASDF. That's only 4 characters. I hit enter and it says more characters, please. Wow. What's this one? And then it continues. And then it says key in 5 characters or Q. I key in Q. Ends the program. It breaks out of the while statement, the while loop. Okay, program 30. Import tkinter. That's a cool library. From tkinter import star. Okay. Master equals tk. Okay, master is going to be the main document on which everything else is written. I'm going to define a function here called callback, colon. It's going to do one thing, print out the word click. That's it. Now, take a variable called b. I'll assign it to the guy on the right. I'm going to say button. Button? What button? Oh, the button that's defined here in tkinter. Button? Yes. Now, I want you to write yourself onto something called the master. That's this guy over here. It's going to be a master form. And Mr. Button, you're going to be on the master form. Okay. Where am I going to be? On the master form. Here's the master form, this guy here. Button, where are you? You're going to be this guy here. You're going to be on the master form. Okay. And I want some text on you to say okay. All right, so he says okay. Oh, one more thing. If anybody clicks on you, the command I want you to perform is called callback. Oh, isn't it that guy you just defined over here, that function? Yes, that's exactly right. So whenever someone clicks on you, do callback, which means you want me to print out the word click. Yeah, that's exactly right. Okay, Button, pack yourself onto the form, like so. And then execute the main loop. I mean, stay in this program up until somebody clicks on the big X in the upper right-hand corner. Okay, I'll do that. So I run the program, and there it is. There's our guy. There's the OK. If you click on Mr. OK, prints out the word click. Click on OK again, it prints out click again. If you click on the X, that's it. Exits the program. That brings you to the end of 30, lesson 30. Thanks so much for listening to this summary. This is George Boole. Bye-bye now.